Alright y'all, welcome back to We Gon Eat. Coop and Black Girl, we got something special for y'all. We got the bread, we got our eggs, we got our butter, and we got our turkey sausage. We got our fresh strawberries. Gotta have you some strawberries, you know what I'm talking about? And we got some fresh mango. I love mango. So we're gonna put this on the side of our dish. You know what I'm talking about? All right, now we back, and we about to show y'all how we get down with this, right? Before we toast the bread, we got to put these holes in our bread, right? So the wifey's gonna put some holes into these 5 pieces of bread.
And if you have a cookie cutter, a teacup, anything to make a hole.
Yeah, that's gonna fit your bread.
We had to find something because this bread is smaller than we usually use.
Right.
We couldn't find the big, thick bread we were looking for.
Right.
Yep, so make your holes in the bread. So basically you'll put your cookie cutter or whatever you're using on the bread and press down and make a hole.
Yes.
And we'll be back. Here's the finished product. So here is your bread with the holes, and here are your little holes. Okay.
Yo, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. And we're gonna get our bread with the holes in it. We're gonna butter this up, get it nice and hot, put our bread on it, let it do its thing.
Cooking with Coop.
Cooking with Coop, baby. I'm just gonna lay our bread. Up in here. Yeah, whoever's calling, they gonna have to wait for you, boy. Okay, so you're gonna let your bread toast. You know what I'm saying? You might have to hit it with the butter one more time. So we're just gonna sit here for a second and let these toast. All right, so we're gonna crack this egg and get this, you wanna get it in the middle of this. Right in the center. All right, put our pepper on here already. We're gonna sprinkle just a little salt on here. Just a little salt. So we're gonna poke these, you know what I'm saying? Gotta poke them. Whew. Oh no, I might have poked that with too much. If you like yours over easy, you don't have to poke it. But if you don't, go ahead and poke a couple holes. The wifey, she said, she just told me she tries to poke hers before the fact. You know, I ain't never made this, so this is what I'm doing. And I didn't know, so I had to poke it on the other side. But I'm gonna flip these one more time, cook that, and then it's on. Gotta return. Yeah, I need to hit this with some more butter. You know what I'm talking about? Oh yeah. But we just gonna cook for a second. And then we gonna retoast these. So I'm gonna flip a couple times. You might be a little bit better than me. It's okay. You might not have to. You might get it on the first go, but your boy gonna flip a couple times. Y'all know how we do.
Yeah, and this is his first time making these, so it wasn't easy for me on my first time.
Yeah.
But it doesn't have to be perfect because it's just egg and toast.
That's all
together.
It is.
That's all.
That's it.
Somebody taught me how to make these when I was a young kid.
Put those just for a second. I'm gonna flip these back over because the other side gotta be toasted.
And these are just extra, the inner circle of the bread. You don't have to waste that. You could toast that and just eat that as buttered toast.
So we about hobo ready. You dig what I'm talking about?
Right, okay. We can add
Yeah. So this is what it come out to look like. Flip it over for me. Let me flip it over for me. Yeah, that's the back side. All right. Grab these other two and both of here. All right, stay tuned, y'all. We'll be right back. All right, so here we go. This is our hobo breakfast plate. Couple sausage, turkey sausage patties, strawberries, toast with the egg in the middle. Hobo. But anyway, it's good. 13s to the concrete. Y'all already know what it is. We gonna eat your boy. I got my strawberries. Black girl got the same thing. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know. You gonna get on the camera today, babe? No? She might not. I don't know. She quiet. Me, you can eat this how you want to eat it. You know, I'm gonna eat mine like a French toast. You know what I'm saying? I got me some syrup. You know what I'm saying? For my little sausage patties. You know what I'm talking about? I got a couple little pieces of bread. This is what it is. You know what I'm talking about? These are hobos. You see? Real quick. Easy to do. Tastes good. My wife turned me on to this. This one, first one. Yeah. A little syrup. You dig what I'm talking about? Yeah. Well, you can have a knife, cut it up. I'm just doing it like this.
So it's an easy way to eat your egg and your toast without a fork.
Yeah, easy way. Good. Good. Turkey sausage. Strawberry fresh. Like you said, the mangoes was too hard.
Too small, too, to cut. You gotta peel that thing and bite it.
So no mango. Plus it was a little green too. More green than red, so that means they still got some time. But yeah. This was happening. Try it. This is what we do.
You taste the butter? Mmm, butter toast.
Oh yeah.
Good.
This is what we do. This is how we get out. Quick. Don't take long to make this.
You could put some jelly on your toast if you want. Good.
And it's good now. Today is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day, Mama. Happy Mother's Day to my mother-in-law. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers of the world. Cuban black girl getting their eat on. Cause y'all already know. We gon' eat. You know what I'm talking about? Show y'all what this food is looking like.
Okay, so that's our pad thai. This should be our heavenly combo. Our rice comes with beef, chicken, and shrimp. That's the wrong thing. I didn't order that. Well, it was supposed to be minced chicken, but they didn't mince it. This is the hot stuff.
Okay.
Stuff that's usually on fire. Spring rolls.
Yes. Chinese food is not good unless you make your own. You can go to a restaurant like this. Thai food. I think I ate my first Thai food when I used to work downtown. Remember that place I took you to?
Downtown LA, I remember vaguely, but I cannot remember where it's at.
It was by the freeway though. It was like,
It was right by the 110 freeway.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It in the car,
And it was not right.
but we
Okay.
just didn't want to go back in and
So
check.
when we're paying $16 per item, it's got to be right. So we gotta complain. All right?
Yeah, but we didn't want to go back in. We was trying to bone out.
Right, because we had a 50-mile journey ahead of us.